If you're thinking about selling a home in Tarrant County, stop scrolling. You might be about to make a costly mistake. There's a smarter way. Most people just don't know it exists yet. Come closer, I'm going to tell you about it. The traditional way of selling a home is slow, stressful, and full of surprises, and not the good kind either. You deal with showings, open houses, repairs, negotiations, and weeks of not knowing what's next. But here in Tarrant County, more and more families are skipping the drama because they've discovered something better. Say what? It's called the Tarrant County Home Cash Offers. We make direct cash offers on homes usually within 48 hours. That's no showings, no repairs, no hidden fees, no hassle. We recently helped a family who inherited their dad's house who lived out of state. The yard was overgrown, the home needed work, and within days they had cash in hand and peace of mind. We're not investors trying to lowball you. We're local professionals using real data to make fair offers, and we walk you through every step with zero pressure. Curious what your home could sell for without the hassle? Tap the link below or comment cash for a free no obligation offer. It only takes a minute. Sometimes the best move is the easiest move.